Welcome everyone. This is an urgent update for Shiba coin, Dogecoin, because it's jumping almost 50% for Dogecoin and the news of Elon Musk actually buying Twitter, and there's a potential that Elon Musk will make Dogecoin as a payment on Twitter. So what's going on and where's price action? Because everybody talk about the $1 for Dogecoin and Shiba coin going toward the $1, maybe even 5 years, 4 years, whatever. We're gonna discuss the realistic price action if you want to swing trade them at the moment and make a profit now, not even 10 years or 5 years. In Spanish, just few weeks, because we're gonna have volatility for all the altcoin. So let's get right to it and start with Shiba coin, because we talked about 3 days ago on the breakout zone here when we said this triangle will be broken and we're gonna go first profit taken around the 1180. When we hit our profit taken around the 0.401180, we did the update on our TradingView community 27th of October, and we updated the other profit taken around the 401369. If we go back, we see that the price actually went to our profit taken, the second one here, around the 4013, and the price went down. You see this volatility? The price went crazy down because we hit our profit taking. Dogecoin now is breaking our triangle, and we discussed it in the big picture. We need to hold the two current level, this purple line from below and above, to confirm the volatility again. We're going to discuss Ethereum because it's holding an important support. Bitcoin as well, testing in a critical resistance around the 21,000. For my opinion, this level for Bitcoin will change everything for Shiba coin and Dogecoin as well, to give us a kick. So like the sentiment of the market will be bullish, would be easier for Dogecoin and Shiba coin to squeeze. However, if Bitcoin didn't overcome this mini resistance around the 21,000, Shiba coin and Dogecoin will struggle to pump in the coming days. Okay, this is more like not 100%. Sometimes Dogecoin and Shiba coin go against the market. However, this would be easier. It's like you swimming against the current. It's easier to swim with the current. So the current is Bitcoin. So it's Bitcoin overcome the 21,000. For Shiba coin and Dogecoin will be easier to squeeze. So let's start our technical analysis with Dogecoin, because we got question regarding the Dogecoin, because Elon Musk actually bought Dogecoin, and there is a potential that Elon Musk will make Dogecoin as a payment method on Twitter. So what we should expect didn't happen yet, but this is just the news or the speculation for trader investors, and this is alone give us a huge kick in a span a few days or even hours. Let me just check from this breakout zone. We did almost 60% for Dogecoin, so there is a potential for another kick if we just held this purple line. What's mean this purple line? Between the 0.088 and the 0.10 cent. Here, this should be our bottom. What's mean, if the price now went down, we need a huge buying pressure and take us again higher again, and the best case scenario is a wick. You see this AMA will act as a support for us. So if we want to confirm that Dogecoin will go to the $1, simple as possible, we need to hold the 0.088. So I don't care about the fundamental, what's gonna happen with Elon Musk, what happened. Just from the technical, this will give us a signal indication to get in heavily and exit with the market maker, so we don't have to guess. And if you want to fast alert before even we do our video, you can actually follow us on TradingView community, because we do always alert, or on our Patreon, because we do alert as well at the moment the price hit a breakout zone or support area. If we go here for the other box between the 15 and the 17 cents for Dogecoin, this area will be the breakout zone. So if we bought back here, what we want to have, let me just show you with the arrow. If the price went there, we want to see this reaction. Boom, the price will go to test this box. The moment that we overcome this box and hold here, consolidate, this will be the strongest signal to enter. If we just hold this box and consolidate above, this will be the best signal. After this signal holding above this box between the 0.088 and the 10 cent, for my opinion. Let me just check how much we can do here. Oh man, almost 100% again after we hold above this breakout zone for Dogecoin. If we go for Shiba coin, we see it that the price got rejected on the 27th of October, when we said the profit taken should be around the 0.401369 because we got rejected first around our first profit taken 3 days ago around the 1180. That's why always we suggest to take profit, then re-enter around the support area to maximize your profit taken, okay? So if you just hold, maybe the price go down and you miss the profit that we already made, like even for Dogecoin 50%. Because if you don't trade, it's simply you just hold and average down. But you see what's happened the last few months, the price went crazy down. Everything goes in Bitcoin or even an altcoin price action. That's why we need the confirmation for squeeze and the price continuation to go higher to make money. That's why you're here and that's why you're watching this video. So for Shiba coin, what we should expect, the price got rejected around the 1369, and now if we go in 1 hour chart, let me just update this level, we'll put it around the 14, and let me just take this off. Okay, perfect. So the bottom should be for Shiba coin around this area. Let me just show you around this the dotted orange line, around this area above the 1185. So the 1185 and this area above this red line above the 1120, between the 1180 and the 1120 should be the support area for Shiba coin, because if we held above this AMA, you see this AMA, we already bumped from it last time we got rejected here around the 28th of October. So the 27th of October, we hit our profit taken as we suggest here on our trading view community. Then the price bought back exactly around our MA and then pumped again almost, let me just check how much we did, almost 40% for Shiba coin. So now the same scenario, if the price went down, we need to buy back again above this AMA to confirm another pump. And this time, let me just calculate how much. This time we can make 50% around the 1740. We should take our profit because the short seller and a lot of people will trigger profit taking around this area. Let me just go to the other one on my list, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum, because Ethereum follow the same behavior at Bitcoin. So for Ethereum, it's still holding the breakout zone that we did around the 16, I think, or the 1594 or above the 1600. So if we hold above the 1600, this will be the strongest signal for Ethereum will pump until the 1786. However, if we broke it right now, today, we need to hold above this ascending line. So this is ascending line will be an important level to confirm Ethereum will go to the 1786 the coming days, because if we broke it mean the price will continue to go down for this bottom around the 1484, and this should be our bottom in order to give us a signal that Ethereum will not going back below the 1200 or even below the 1000. We need to have a confirmation that the price will bump, which is this area of support for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Of course, for this area, the 20,000 will be the bottom for Bitcoin. So the bottom for Bitcoin is the signal, the one signal for all altcoins will give us a confirmation for a volatility back and give us that the bottom already visited for Bitcoin and the other altcoin. We have double bottom around the 20,000 and we have double top around the 21,000. So the game plan is pretty simple. If we hold above the 20,000, consolidate even here in coming days between the 21,000 and 20,000, then breaking the 21,000, this will give us a signal for entry for Ethereum and the other altcoin, because the market will enter a bullish trend until the 22,500. Of course, then the 29,000. This is by far the most strongest indication for strength for Bitcoin to go higher again to all-time high. Maybe next year we're gonna see this reaction, or before the end of this year we break this level of interest for us for Bitcoin over the 29,000 and holding above the 30,000 to confirm that. For Ethereum as well, we need to overcome the 2,000, of course, and holding above it to confirm going again to all-time high toward the 4,000. Let me know which altcoin you gonna hunt, Dogecoin or Shiba coin? Are we gonna have the $1 for Dogecoin for this year or the next year? And what do you think about Shiba coin? Who will be the most gainer for the next year? A lot of people will bet for Dogecoin. On the other hand, people will bet Shiba coin because it's more Shiba and there is a potential for growth. So let me know in comment section below, and let's get ready to hunt for the market. See you in the next update.